Tenor, the new trailed sprayer, is designed to meet the requirements of the future. Safe and easy to operate, greater productivity, ergonomics, environment friendly, for best spraying practices and precision farming. Tenor, designed for performance. New lines, rounded shape, high performance and integrated features. Tenor is designed for unmatched operating ease and operator comfort. Monoblock chassis with 2 large side beams protected by ultra-high resistant paint. Actiflex 2 axle suspension. Actiflex 2, a new generation axle suspension with variable response according to the load, to ensure maximum convenience and efficiency with any load and with no vertical compression when braking. Actiflex 2 is an entirely mechanical, easy to maintain system, which improves your work conditions and results. Large selection of drawbars, straight drawbar or continental hitch, with or without flexi suspension, angling drawbar for sloping land and when avoiding obstacles. Manual or hydraulic jack stand, integrated in the drawbar for a compact assembly. Hydraulic or pneumatic brakes. 2,800, 3,500, 4,300 or 5,500 litre high-density polyethylene main tank. Dual-matic valve block for the control of the operating functions. The reduced pipe length and compact design allow dual-matic to keep residual volumes as low as possible. Berthoud panel for easy identification of all the sprayer's functions. The Omega rotary twin turbine pump, 100% Berthoud designed for maximum output and high pressure, with 2 chambers, one for low and one for high pressure. 380 or 580 litre rinse tank according to the model. 20 litre hand wash tank integrated in the left front cover of the sprayer. 35 litre chemical funnel. Several storage lockers on both sides of the sprayer. Protective shield to avoid damage to the crop. With fully integrated equipment and a low centre of gravity, Tenor is easy to manoeuvre and combines maximum compactness with stability. Designed to improve your working conditions, Tenor ensures that all spraying operations are run easily and safely. Hydraulic or manual jack stand, integrated parking brake, support for unconnected plugs, all elements to ease and secure hitching. The main tank can be filled via the tank lid, conveniently accessible via a wide ladder or by external suction. Clearly displaying the function, the Berthoud panel allows easy and quick control. As an option, Dual Elec allows all the electric control of the sprayer's functions, including agitation, from the cab and the remote control panel. It's possible to switch to manual control as required. A retractable chemical funnel with integrated can wash and an operating lever allows safe and easy induction. Agitation is performed via an internal pipe covering the whole length of the tank. The agitation intensity can be adjusted directly from the control panel or the Dual Elec manually or electronically according to the level of spray mix in the tank. The 20-litre hand wash tank is integrated in the left front cover of the sprayer. Modern farmers need greater productivity and efficiency. Cost reduction, saving time and having the agricultural activities under control is the key to proficient farming. Tenor can be fitted with auto-regulator, DP control or DP-tronic regulation controls. The auto-regulator regulation allows constant volume per hectare for 1 gear ratio. Very accurate for speed variations up to 20%, it is simple and economical. As an option, auto-regulator can be fitted with a DP control box. Its second-generation monitor provides simultaneous display of spraying settings and is also used to store cumulative data. DP-tronic is an electronic regulation using a pressure sensor. The DP-tronic valve, driven by the processor, regulates the flow to the boom according to forward speed and the pressure measured. As an option, DP-tronic can be pre-equipped for precision farming in order to use automatic section on-off and rate control systems. Respect to the environment, user safety, making good practices easy, these are the basic values Berthoud holds dear. Today, Tenor, with its simple and innovative solutions, will make applications much easier. The chemical funnel can be fed via the external suction or the rinse tank. When you've added the chemicals, you can also rinse the funnel and the empty containers. It's essential to prepare exactly the right amount of spray mixture to limit residues at the end of application. The standard Tenor gauge is a rotary gauge. Located in the middle of the tank, it's accurate and easy to read from the cab and the control panel. Tenor can also be fitted with the optional Nivelec gauge with a digital display of the level in the tank, or the Nivomatic gauge with sound alarm or auto stop. This reduces the risk of overflow and allows exact control of the volume in the tank. To keep residues to a minimum, the main tank on Tenor has a diamond-shaped bottom and a sump with a side drainage pipe. The Dual-matic has been designed by Berthoud to limit residues by reducing the number and length of the hoses. The spray lines, routed through a guide, are shorter, better protected, and more accessible. Tenor is fitted with everything you need to easily rinse the sprayer in the field. 2 rinse sprinklers at the top of the tank send water at high pressure for efficient rinsing. The spraying circuit can be rinsed without return into the tank. The rinsing water is sent directly to the boom. With this system, you can also rinse the circuit in case application is interrupted. Dual-elec makes rinsing the sprayer really easy. All spraying functions can be operated from the cab. Easy access to the main parts of the Tenor makes regular maintenance simple. Filters within easy reach for quick maintenance. Accessible technical area under the removable cover. Close to the tank lid, the remote control allows safe drainage. On option, Tenor can be fitted with a steering axle. This highly efficient system ensures the sprayer follows directly in the tractor's wheelings, minimizing crop damage. It's automatically operated at the headland and can also be controlled manually when avoiding obstacles or on slopes. The direction and covered distance-related automation ensures perfectly accurate tracking behind the tractor, independent from forward speed and gear ratio. Available with working widths from 24 to 33 meters, the axial boom has already proved its high quality over the last years. The suspension on the central pivot ensures exceptional vertical stability, especially on turns and hillsides. The Axial 2 independent shock absorbers, one on each arm, avoid whipping when increasing speed or braking, protecting the boom's structure. Rigidity of the triangulated structure. Sturdy points of articulation coupled with long service life for the hydraulic rams, as the pistons are retracted when the boom is in the working position. Standard angle corrector. Optional variable geometry. The lock is hydraulic or with a cable on the central frame. The axial boom can also be fitted with a pendulum axial suspension, with the benefits of both axial central pivot suspension and suspended pendulum system for good stability on turns and hillsides. And also excellent performance on flat ground with ruts. The switchover from axial to pendulum is controlled from the cab using a hydraulic lock. The pendulum axial suspension is also available on the Condor boom. This boom with 3-stage folding can be fitted on Tenor 4,300 and 5,500 litres with a working width of 32 to 38 metres. Meeting today's requirements, the compact design of the folded boom makes the use on road and storage easier. Aluminium construction available from 36 to 42 metres, designed for large area requirements. The pendulum type suspension keeps the boom parallel to the ground independently from the chassis angle. The boom stays horizontal for high performance on flat, rutted land. Variable geometry with nitrogen shock absorbers, angle corrector, anti-yaw system on the central frame, unfolding of the intermediate arms with 2 rams working with retracted shafts when the boom is deployed, and a hydraulic lock for the pendulum. Hectare combines sturdiness and comfort for the user. Together with Tenor, Berthoud booms have many other advantages. Boom frame mounted on parallelogram with vertical nitrogen shock absorbers, the indicators for height, angle corrector and variable geometry are easy to read from the cab. Guide for spray lines, electric wiring harness and hydraulic hoses. With a choice of 4 capacities, 2,800, 3,500, 4,300 or 5,500 litres, Axial 2, DDL, Condor and Hectare booms with working widths ranging from 24 to 42 metres, auto-regler, DP control or DP-tronic regulations, Tenor is a highly sophisticated application expert.